Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how we can actually format the icons on our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So in the previous video, I showed you how we could add in these icons, but you may want to go ahead and format them as well. You may want to change the color. You may want to actually convert one of your icons to a shape. So I'll show you how to do that. So all you got to do is just go ahead and click one of your icons, left click it. And once you do this, you can go ahead and change the sizing, either horizontally, vertically, or you could change them both at the same time. That's what I recommend so that you don't skew your image or distort your image. If you come over here to where it has the up, down, left, right, and hold left click, you can actually drag it around, move it wherever you would like to. And after you select one of your icons, you also get this graphics format option in our ribbon. So you see if I click away from it, it's gone. But if I click back on one of the icons, it's there again. So from here, we can go ahead and we can actually change this graphic to something else. Maybe we want to change it to an actual image, or maybe an image from our computer, or maybe we want to replace it with a different icon. We can do that here. We can actually convert it to a shape if we would like to do that. We can use one of these preset graphic styles. So you see if I highlight them, it will change it for us. I have to zoom in a bit so you can see. It'll actually change the fill, and it'll also change the outline as well. Kind of cool, right? So maybe you are looking through those different graphic styles and you don't see what you're looking for. You can actually come over here to the graphics fill, outline, and effects, and you can get a little bit more customized. So maybe we want more of a plum fill, and for our outline we want more of a blue turquoise color. So that looks pretty nice. So we were able to customize the fill and the outline by doing that. We could also come over, we could add in some graphics effects as well, things like shadowing, reflection, glow, soft edges, and bevels. Additionally, you can also add in some accessibility, things like alternate text, so that members who aren't able to see are able to use their screen reader and they know exactly what your icon is or your image is. And you could also do things like bringing it forward, you could bring it backwards, you could change the alignment, you can add in grouping, you can rotate, you can also change the sizing here as well and crop if needed.